going on, everybody? Bones here with Cajunrnewbbq. Hope you're doing fine. Y'all know I'm making it. Today is another episode of Bartending with Bones. We're doing up a drink called the Balance. Hopefully you can keep your balance after this drink. You might be a little tipsy. You might not. Who knows? Take enough of these, you will be off your balance. Let's begin. You need some vodka, some rum, grenadine, and triple sec. Get you a shaker cup filled with some cracked ice. You also need a cocktail martini glass. Either one is fine. Get your jigger. Take your vodka. Pour out 1 ounce. Now, the rest of these are in tablespoons. But we just gonna eyeball into the jigger. 2 tablespoons. So, roughly about, I would say, most of a pony. Grab your triple sec. Most of a pony there too. And then half of a pony of your grenadine. Go ahead, shake it up. Drain it out into your glass. Cheers, everybody. It's got a mix of orange and cherry kind of fighting each other. Went down the wrong pipe. Like I say, the orange from the triple sec and the cherry are kind of fighting each other. It's a good drink. They're just kind of fighting each other. So it's a balance between the two where they're just fighting each other back and forth. The rum is the predominant kind of alcohol where you're tasting that, because you really don't taste the vodka, you know. That's just the driving force that's behind everything. But the yin and yang of the drink is the cherry and the orange flavor that's just back and forth going with the drink. But you know, that's what I'm getting from this drink. If you like what I'm doing, you know what to do. Thank you and have a good day.